it looks like we had a little bit of technical difficulty again. We're live, but it makes me do it like twice in a row, and I'm not 100% sure how I can do that. Hey, thanks XDR0. Glad to see you here, man. You're the homie. Everybody, I'm gonna start saying what the stream is about at the beginning, and don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and stick around because we are giving away 3,000 Bitcoin Satoshis to the best question. Even if you have to leave, let me know in the comments here if you ask the best question, you're the winner and you're not here. I will possibly consider letting you slide on that, because if you let me know, but not everybody can do that at all times. We'll just let you know. So glad to have everybody here. Ask the good questions away. We will definitely give away Bitcoin to the best question. We have a lot of good stuff planned tonight. There's some really good news about billionaires buying Bitcoin right now. The price of Cardano has gone up again, back up to the $2.90 levels. So we are doing really good. Bitcoin's almost at 49,000. We went back up from our previous levels, and we're doing really good right now. Hopefully everybody can see what's going on here. My software is saying no data. What is going on here? Stream health, let's look. Oh, it says it's healthy, so everything looks good. Hopefully everything's good with you guys. Yeah. All right. Well, let's get right into it then, guys. Let's look at the Bitcoin price. Like I said, this stream is only going to be anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half, because we're going to try to stay away from the 2-hour streams unless we have a lot to talk about, and if we have a lot of people here. That depends on that as well. But we have a lot going on in the chart over here. And so what I like to do is kind of just get rid of a lot of this stuff, and I'll bring it back to let you know what each one of them are. So let's just kind of get rid of all of these, except for the inverse head and shoulders, because I really think that this pattern is going to be one of the most prevalent going forward. As you see, with an inverse head and shoulders, you have to have a head, and then you have to have a shoulder that's higher than the head, which is a dip down, right? If this just kept going up, you wouldn't have the dip, so you wouldn't have had a shoulder. But you have a shoulder, which is a down, then an up, right? And then you have a further down and then an up. And now we have our other one right here, and this can still be considered a head and shoulders. We will just have to break, like I've been saying for the last couple days. I know, guys, I'm getting repetitive here, but we just need to break this level right here. And if we can break above this level right here at 50,000, we're going to go all the way to 53,000 right there. So things are still looking good with Bitcoin. We have bullish momentum. We have a ceiling right here, but if you look, I mean, what's the RSI? Only at 60 right now? We have so much momentum that we can go forward with. I just don't see us, going up and touching this and then going back down. We're going to blast through this in a massive way. Because I also see this, and this is what some of these other lines were. Now I have two bullish scenarios and one bearish potential scenario that I don't think is going to happen in the long run or even in the short term. Actually, this one should probably go right there. And then right there. And then we have, and what started right here, to go right over here. We have this ascending triangle right here. And this is not the most beautiful ascending triangle in the world, but if we break to this upside, as you see, we're at the top of it now, we are going to go up. If not, we go back down and test this support level again at 46,000, 47,000, 46,500. So that's where we're going to go. If we don't go up and break out of this, we're going to go back down to this level right here. And then we might even go further if we break that support. So that's what we have. Two supports, though. We have the support for the ascending triangle, and then we also have the support level for the 200-day moving average. And then below that, we have the 100-day, the 50-day. So things are looking pretty good for Bitcoin. I still say this is bullish. We do have a clear resistance here that we need to either break or break down and really have a reset, probably to the $44,000 level before we can finally, trampoline ourselves back up to it. That is my new favorite saying out of all of them, because it is. When you hit a bottom, like say $48,000 is like the ground of the trampoline, right? Well, we went to 46,000. I said this earlier. We went to 46,000, which, the trampoline bends down. It's still a trampoline. You're still on it, but it goes down. And what happens after you get all the way down? Well, either if you're really heavy and you're too heavy for the thing, it'll break and you'll go through to the ground. Or what normally happens, because normally you don't get too much weight on the trampoline, is you bounce back up even higher, right? It's like a boosh momentum, and that's what happens with Bitcoin every time it hits this resistance. Support. It's like going on a slingshot or a trampoline and getting that momentum, and then catapults forward. And the same thing when resistance. When we can't make it up there, it's like a rubber band that got stretched too far, and then it just broke. And then it goes down to zero. So look at all the analogies we're having today. Just tons of fun. But that's cool that we have these levels, because we know what it'll go up to, and we know what it will go back down to if it doesn't, break. So we have a couple levels in mind for Bitcoin on the daily. Let's kind of well, I want to show you the bearish scenario first, which I've been showing you for the last couple days. We do have this ascending wedge right here, and this is not good for Bitcoin, but it's been an ascending wedge ever since basically we started this thing. So yeah, it's not looking too bad right here. We have an ascending wedge right here, and if it breaks to the downside, which we're way far from the downside, because look, the downside is somewhere at 47,000, 46,500 right here. It gets higher as the higher we go, but yeah, so it's down here at like 46,800 or so. About 47, a little under that. So that's what we have to look for. If it goes down, it's going to bounce off of that. So we actually have several different supports at this level. So I just see us going up further. No need to panic, guys. We're good. Everything is good with Bitcoin, and expect to see us in the $50,000 range in the next couple of coming weeks. And the thing is, it's going to take a while to get back up to these $65,000 ranges. And once we break the old all-time high, I think we're going to head to 100,000 within, a couple of weeks after that, maybe a month. And then we're going to have a huge correction way back down. And that's what I'm going to, put mine out to a stable coin, watch Bitcoin fall all the way down, and then buy back in at a lower price and double or triple my Bitcoin this time. I'm really hoping to do that. So let's follow the price of Bitcoin as it goes up. We're starting to even off here, which is not good. But on the daily and an ascending triangle, if we break this, that is a bullish sign, and we will go up higher. So we have we have an inverse head and shoulders, we have an ascending triangle, but we also have a rising wedge, which if we break to the downside, it could mean going all the way back down to 44,000 if we break the 200-day moving average and this support right here. So now let's go into the 4 hours. I'm getting better at not getting too ahead of myself here. But it looks a lot different on the 4 hour, but it's still valid. Look at that beauty. This is the head, this is a shoulder, this is a shoulder. Let's get going. Right? And for some reason, that thing is supposed to be like right here. Yeah, that still works out pretty well. And we're almost actually broken out of the neckline. No way, guys. On the 4 hour, look how close we are to this neckline right here and breaking out of it. Oh my goodness. If we break out of this neckline right here, oh boy. Get ready for a Bitcoin blast off, ladies and gentlemen, because yeah, that will mean it breaks out of the ascending triangle right here, and it's going to break out of this inverse head and shoulders. So, yes! I would scream louder, but my voice is still recovering. I don't know what I did, but yeah, I want to scream really loud and say, yes, Bitcoin, 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 let's go, let's go, let's go! But we just gotta break this level right here, and as you see, it's definite resistance as soon as we got up to the 49K level. we ran into the resistance here. We got above it here. Not for very long, but we did it. Remember? We were up at the $50,500 level, and we just couldn't do it. But this 4-hour chart looks beautiful. But remember the rising wedge right here. If we break below this, which we have a big ways until we even touch it again, so we don't have to worry about that for a while. But if we break below that, we could go, down to the 200-day moving average. And then if we break the 200-day moving average, then we go bloop, 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 all the way back down. The bull market's over. We all go home. We take our ball and go home. No more Bitcoin. No, we don't. We reset, we rebuy, we re-strategize, and that's what we do. We never let something, destroy us to the point where we give up. We always get back up, even if it's hard. We get back up anyway. So, let's go and what should we do next? Maybe look at the 1 hour. Let's do that first. 1 hour. Is there anything on the more recent charts that could tell us what's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, there's not a head and shoulders pattern right here, but there is a clear resistance, and it's a downward sloping resistance. Oh, but it went down. Now we're getting above this. We're back above. So we actually have broke above resistance just a little bit. Just a little bit from right there. Yeah, it was resistance at right there. So, yeah. See, look how high above. So we're getting higher highs now than right here. So this means we have momentum going. And there is like a definite ascending triangle right here on the 1 hour. Yeah, so that's a bullish sign too, guys. Look at this. Oh, look at that. It's the ascending triangle. We need to go right up here to about $49,500, $400. Break that. And then, yeah. Can't quite see the inverse head and shoulders from here. From here. Here. But it's there. Wow, look at this volume we got earlier, guys. Do you see that volume we got? At 46,000, that's because all the whales were buying today. Yeah, we're going to break out, guys. This is it. Okay, now if we put everything together with what's been happening and what happened today, I didn't even see that volume. Now that I see that volume right here, look at that. We haven't had volume like that in, quite some time. Back here when we were going way up, right? So now that we got some volume over here, not a lot, but a nice green candle right there. Look at that volume. That's beauty. Beauty personified right there. How much is that? 412 Bitcoin. Okay, what was this one? Oh, that was 402. So this is higher than that one. Nice. So we're doing good, guys. So I think we're going to break this to hopefully the upside. And we'll see. We'll see what happens. Right? What do you want to look at next? Any preferences? We could go to XRP. Let's go to Ethereum. After XRP. We'll do Ethereum after XRP. XRP has a bull flag. No, I don't think it did. I don't think that's a bull flag. Nope. It is a little bit of one, maybe. I don't know. It didn't play out, though, so it would have to break above this line at 131 to break out. So, but it does have an ascending triangle. Right to right, but it looks like it already broke down. So, yep, and then we have the support right there. So, now we have, I think, a descending triangle for XRP. Yep, we have a descending triangle now. which if it breaks the upside, good. But if it breaks the downside, boo, we go all the way back down to 90, 85 now. Wait, what is it? 87. Ooh, that's not good looking for XRP, but we're doing good. I think it can, have a recovery, guys. I really think XRP, it's put in consistent volume and everything, but we got double bottoms right here, though. If you see double bottom. Cool, cool, cool. But we have this clear resistance that we have to break out, and hopefully we don't go back down to support and break down, because then we will see further pullbacks for XRP. All right, now let's get into Ethereum. All right. Look at this descending triangle we had right here that broke out to the upside. Nice call right there. That was a good call. I said this one's going to break to the upside too, because sometimes they break to the down, but I was like, nah, watch this one break to the upside, and it did. So another good thing for Ethereum, in my opinion, is just this solid support line right here. It goes like real far back now, like super far back. And it just looks beautiful. We might have a head and shoulders pattern right here, though. Unfortunately, things might look a little bit glum for Mr. Ethereum right offhand, but let's see. I don't know. Maybe not. Hopefully, this isn't going to be validated by me right now. No, just one of these. Hey, hey, hey. Brush. Yes, brush. Okay. Head and shoulders. There's one head. Okay. One shoulder. One shoulder. But I don't think so. I'm thinking one shoulder. One shoulder. Right there. So those are, it's kind of worrisome because there's like a triple head and shoulders right here. Well, this one actually broke to the upside. So yeah, I don't think any of those are going to play out. I think Ethereum is just going to keep going up for a little while. It did break out of this ascending wedge right here to the downside, though. And as you see, there was support down there. Luckily, if not, it would have fell even further. But look at the volume we got in here on Ethereum, too, guys. Look at all this volume. 17,475. When over here we had 21,104, but still, that's a lot of Ethereum in one sitting. So Ethereum's looking great as well. Now let's see Cardano. Is Cardano doing anything? What? That can't be Cardano's price. Oh, that's what I love, the refresh. So yesterday it would have been $2.30. Today it went back up to $2.92 and $2.95. And we're at $2.84 right now. So Cardano is looking beautiful. $2.86. Ooh. Cardano, not done yet. Not giving in. Not giving up. 31-cent price difference today. Wow. Cardano, look at you go. Dang. AMP. What's AMP doing? AMP. 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 What? That's it? 603? That's quite disappointing, I say. Oh, I see. I should have gone with Rally, because Rally is Rally, and then AMP is just amping, AMP doing nothing. AMP doing nothing. All right, guys. So, billionaire Bill Miller takes plunge into Grayscale Bitcoin Trust with 1.5 million shares. Wow. I mean, talk about putting your money where your mouth is. Billionaire fund manager Bill Miller has taken a significant position in Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust, according to a new filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The Miller Opportunity Trust owns 1.5 million shares of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, valued at $44.7 million. This represents about 1.55% of the fund's net assets. Well, gee. Miller's interest in Bitcoin has grown considerably in the past year. In January, he called investing in cryptocurrency a suitable risk management strategy in the current market climate. Weeks later, Miller said he couldn't see another asset with Bitcoin's combination of liquidity and upside potential. So, in February, the Miller Opportunity Trust first signaled its interest in taking position in Bitcoin from Grayscale. At the time, the fund said it may seek investment exposure to Bitcoin indirectly by investing in the Bitcoin Grayscale Trust. That followed an investor letter Miller had circulated defending Bitcoin. Right on. They've been battling premium issues on Grayscale, I guess, right? Yeah, so, but it's looking good. More and more investors are either looking to get into Bitcoin or looking to indirectly get into Bitcoin, and that's what you see happening. So check this out. El Salvador's official Bitcoin wallet will go live on September 7th. So prepare for Bitcoin to either pump or dump that day. We don't know exactly what's going to happen with that. And Alchemy Pay, like I've been talking about for months and months, right? Global payment engine bridges crypto and fiat payment channels. This is a really cool crypto, and I'm going to continue to invest in it. Coinbase is ready to purchase 500 million worth of crypto on its balance sheet. Remember, we talked about that. So there's so much going on in crypto right now. It's just amazing. And yeah, it's fun. It's fun. I love it. Crypto Fear. We're at 71 yesterday, and last week 70. That's the day before yesterday. Wait till we reset this. So we'll see what it is. 71. Oh, 78 today. Look at that. We're as greedy as we were last week. And last month we were 50. I mean, we're coming up from like a 30 the month before that. But look, we went all the way up to 78 today. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's pretty cool. Well, I mean, look at Cardano. It went up to almost a new all-time high. 2 cents short of another all-time high. Almost $3 again. I mean, come on. That's amazing. AMP, I don't know what it's doing, but yeah, things are looking good. Let's look at Pup Doge. What's Pup Doge doing? Oh, it's down again. Whatever though. Maybe one day it'll go up. I don't really care. Honestly, I'm just over it at this point. And guys, remember to join the Bitcoin Renegade contest. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, and we're gonna do a road to 1K giveaway. And so, what you guys need to do is just go into the description below and visit all my social media sites. Make sure you subscribe to YouTube because we're only doing the giveaway once we get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Go follow me on all the other social medias to earn more entries into the giveaways. And then don't forget to also enter into the 100,000 huge giveaway. We're going to give away $6,000 worth of crypto on that road to 100,000 subscribers once we hit 100,000. So we're giving away 50 bucks within probably the next couple weeks or so when we hit 1,000 subscribers. And then we're going to give away $6,000 probably by the end of the year when we get 100,000 subscribers. I think we can do it by the end of 2021. I think we can do it, guys. All we have to do is get one of the big Twitter or big crypto YouTubers to, take a liking to us on this channel. So hopefully either myself or one of our awesome community members makes friends with BitBoy Crypto or The Moon or one of those other Altcoin Daily brothers that, have our fates in their hands, right? They hold the little guy's fates in their hands. They could just be like, hey, go check out Bitcoin Renegade. I think he's doing something pretty cool over there. And then boom, Bitcoin Renegade, 10,000 subscribers, yeah! That's what's going to happen. Or we scratch, claw, and, grind our way all the way up to 10,000 subscribers. Either way is fine with me. I'm not entitled to anything, but if it happens, I'm not going to be like, no, I'm not going to accept that. No, I'm going to be like, yes, my finally was found out about somebody. Somebody finally found the talent that is Bitcoin Renegade, that is Jeff. They found me. I've been discovered. Remember, one point Eminem wasn't discovered either. At one point, Jay-Z wasn't discovered, right? Somebody had to discover each and every one of these individuals. And now, who's going to be the one that discovers Mr. Jeff Anderson? Huh? Who's going to be the manager for the Star? Who is Jeff Anderson? I don't think this is going to be a long live stream tonight, guys. Maybe if we start talking and stuff, but I actually have done everything that I had wanted to do on the live stream now. Now we're just down to, oh, great. So things are running off on the channel or what? Stream is healthy. Okay, well, I hope it didn't, mess with you guys there. So, I think we're going to just start the chat part now, guys, because why not? Can you guys not hear me? Oh, Northside Jeff's here. What up? Coinaholic, you're back. Thank you, bro, for trying your luck again. Appreciate that. Okay, let's start answering questions then. All right. Alan Harper, the first one here. Thank you, Alan Harper. Let's begin. Yeah, what? I'm a little late. I was like 3 minutes late because I was going to get a soda downstairs, and the elevator like just took forever. I don't know. So I was a couple minutes late, but we made it. We're here. Thank you for waiting. I drink a lot of soda, man, but that's okay. Dabbing. Now, if we didn't already have our hello, I'd say this is how we hello. Just dab on a fool real quick. Just dab real quick. You don't even say anything either. You just walk up. You're like, what? By real name. Yeah, I know you have your real name, bro. YouTube, you're supposed to make like a name that nobody can identify you by. I don't know. Hello, bring some tacos. Hey, I want some tacos. Man, so that's the one thing we could eat together, but yeah, that's probably not. We're not going to do that on this channel. We might make another channel for just kicking it, like the Inner Council, if we want to watch like a UFC event. It sucks you guys just live so far away. The cool thing would be about like the Inner Council, if we all lived close to each other, then we could actually meet up and like, brainstorm ideas in real life. Because, it's a lot harder when people are gone and, let's see, did Jay show up? We're going to have a volunteer for moderator because I don't think Jay is here. Oh, Northside Jeff. I wanted to ask you, I don't know if I already asked you to be part of the inner council, but I really want you as part of the inner council. There's room for one more spot, but if you can only be on every now and again, then it might not be because I'm putting the inner council to work. I don't know if you have time for that. That's the thing. I didn't really ask the inner council. I'm just like, hey guys, here's jobs. Are you gonna do them for me? And then they kind of were like, okay, I guess we'll do your jobs. No, everybody's been a real supporter of the channel. Sometimes I just get a little in my head. You guys are great, man. You guys are the best community I could have asked for. I mean, sometimes I get a little bit in my head though, so just bear with me when I do that. I'm really grateful for you all. Honestly, that's the way I feel. But you guys are awesome. I know this community is growing. I'm starting to learn Twitter now. If you see, we doubled our followers on Twitter from 170 to 340 in one day. So if I can keep doing that every day, getting like 100, 200 subscribers, followers on Twitter, keep putting out a bunch of videos on YouTube, then we'll be going. So, oh, you guys just had pizza, man. Oh, sounds good. Sarth Mater. Is Sarth Mater here? Oh, he is. Sarth Meta. That sounds like a villain from Star Wars. Sarth Vader. Cool name, bro. Sahan Vishwanta. Oh, it's the homie Sahan Vishwanta. Oh, I didn't give anybody money for advertisements in Express Crypto tonight. I just kind of skipped over all that. Bear with me though. I guess we don't really need to do that. I need to look at the results of the poll and what everybody wanted to call the Bitcoin Renegade Family Community Army. I think we ended up on Army, didn't we? So I'm gonna have to take a look at that and see which one won. Alan Harper, good question. The first question of the day. BTC trends upward at about 300% between each halving. This is just a bit of a lull. Okay, so it wasn't a question. It was more of a, not a response, but a quote. Well, he quoted this. Bitcoin trends upward at about 300%. It does. Maybe even a little more at times. See, I like it when it's not all just questions. I like it when we ask questions, but I also allow people to do their creativity. That's the one thing about the question thing that I didn't like, is because when I said just leave your best comment, well, whether it be a poem, a comment, something that was on their mind, something they heard, it seems to bring more creativity out of people. Yeah, the questions let me answer more, but I want to get you guys more involved. You know, that's what I'm saying. So I think just letting you guys have a free range roam over whatever thing you want to be creative of, and the most creative thing in the chat, whether it be a poem, a question, a comment, a statement, a fact, a lore, a lull, whatever you want to call it. Whatever the best one, whatever one moves me or the audience or whatever the most, whatever is the best one. Just get creative, guys. It can be whatever. So 88 boss, yes, because Cardano, I'm waiting. Next time, I'm telling you guys, you're going to see me make a Cardano purchase here pretty soon. And I should have done it already. I can't believe I missed out. I'm kind of worried about buying it now because next time, what if it doesn't go up a third time? But smart contracts are still coming out. They still have a good project, and it's just really, really high right now. Market rank is 3. It has a long way to go to become second place, so I guess it could grow exponentially. I mean, this could go to a $10 Cardano realistically. You know, then it would be close to Ethereum, but yeah. So there's a lot of things we have to look at about that. So, everybody giving kisses. Yes, yes. Drawing boobs. You're loading. Full force success. I know. I cannot wait for that. Bitcoin. He's talking about this down here. Where was it? We just saw that. Okay, well, maybe they changed it. Coinbase appoints Facebook vet as chief marketing officer. Huh. But anyway, they were just talking about El Salvador going live in a couple of weeks. It was right here next to this. Alchemy Pay. I remember that, but now it's gone. Oh, here it is, right here. El Salvador's official Bitcoin wallet will go live on September 7th, says Bukele. See, right next to Alchemy Pay. I knew that. Let's go into this. This is kind of interesting because I want to know if this is. Do you think this will help, or do you guys think that this will possibly hurt crypto? Do you think everybody's just going to sell their Bitcoin right away, or do you think they're going to treat it as like a debit card and just use the Bitcoin, you know, to buy food over time, or are they just going to sell it to US dollars and then be out of Bitcoin? Be like, no, we're not doing that. You know, is there like anything implemented that says, okay, everybody is going to be rewarded if they don't sell it right away? So El Salvador's government-supported wallet will go live at the start of next month. It kind of makes you want to be an El Salvadorian. According to the country's president. President Nayib Bukele tweeted Sunday that the Shivo wallet will be available for download on September 7th. Utilizing the digital wallet is optional, but those who download it will receive $30 in Bitcoin during the setup process. Can I set it up? Dang. Who are interested, the wallets will enable payments in Bitcoin or dollars between individuals and businesses, regardless of where they are in the world. Those without citizenship may have access as well. What? Tourist workers will be able to receive tips in Bitcoin through El Salvador's digital wallet infrastructure. And later withdraw into cash at 200 of El Salvador's ATMs. That's pretty cool. There will also be 50 so-called puntos chivos, which enable deposits and withdrawals, as well as acting as centers for troubleshooting and cryptocurrency education as it relates to the wallet infrastructure. Yeah, if you guys don't notice, Bitcoin is being mass adopted as we speak. If you don't know, that's what's happening in the world. I've been telling you this. This is a technology shift. When whole countries have a wallet that they give all of their citizens $30 in Bitcoin, and you have states in the United States that are giving a whole city Bitcoin. I mean, come on, Seattle, where are you at? I need some Bitcoin. Where's the leaders at? I mean, come on. Give us another stimulus check, but give it to us in Bitcoin, right? So hopefully they were able to buy Bitcoin at a cheap price back then. Yeah. Yeah, no, my bandwidth is fine, I think. Yeah, the stream health does good. Sometimes it just messes up. I don't know why, but yeah, if you leave it running for too long, you might have to reset it, I think. I don't know. The ETH token burn helps so much, and the video that I did about the ETH token burns, really did well. Some of my videos do awesome, guys, and it's only because of you. If you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment, it shows the video to a wide array more of people, because most of my conversion rates are somewhere between 10 and 30%, which is basically 1 in 10 or 1 in 3 people watch and like my video, or actually watch, not like. Now, getting people to like the video, that's harder. People are really stingy with them likes for some reason. We got to get people here, because if we don't reach 15 concurrent viewers, then we're not going to give away anything on the channel today. So I really hope we can reach 15 viewers. It is not that big of a milestone to hit. So let's get everybody on. I guess, Sahan Vishwanta, if you could invite people on Express Crypto, I can give you the Bitcoin for it at a later time, if you could do that for me right now. Yeah, ADA could be potentially at $10 by the year's end for sure. Solano, man, it went up again. Oh man, Solano is just on a tear lately, and yeah, the ETH gas fees are pretty high right now, but with all of the side, chains that you can use and other ways to utilize cheaper fees, there are ways around that. So, why do people want an alternative currency? And Yash Carpenter, why are you asking a question that everybody asked? I've already been asked this question before. Are you guys getting these questions from like BitBoy Crypto or so, or like where are these questions coming from? Because people keep coming and asking the same questions to me over and over again. This one, why do people want an alternative currency, and specifically cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin? Well, that's easy, and I already answered it the other day. And I'll give you the same answer now as I gave you the other day. Because it's better. It works for everybody. It puts the power into the hands of the people and not the governments. It gives us power back. like my friend today couldn't get into his PayPal account. Well, he's like, hey, if I send you money, will you send me some crypto? And I'm like, well, I don't really want to do that, but you're my friend. I guess I will. And I was kind of leery about doing it, but I'm like, okay, I guess I'll help you out. You're the homie. And it didn't work out because he had to set his thing up. But that's what we do for each other. It puts the power of the currency into the hands of the people. How can you send a $1 bill or a $10 bill or a $20 bill from you all the way to China in 1 hour? Go. You would be scrambling. You would be freak if there wasn't crypto. Oh man, especially at 8:45 on a Friday night. Good luck finding a bank, a Western Union, a MoneyGram, anything open. Maybe downtown somewhere there might be a 24-hour one that you might get robbed if you go into, or you can buy a cryptocurrency and send it to somebody in China in seconds, like that. You don't have to go to the store. You don't have to leave your house. You don't have to possibly get robbed. There's just so many values to cryptocurrency, and I could go on and on and on all day, all night, and everything. So if you're not already, like, subscribe to the channel, comment. We're trying to get this up to 15 concurrent viewers so that we can give away 3,000 Bitcoin Satoshis to the winner. So, yeah, Northside Jeff, thanks for coming, man. I love having you as always. Coinholic, I'm glad he came back, even though he didn't win last time. Maybe he will win this time. ADA will settle at around $6.80 by the end of the year, in my opinion. I think that's a pretty good guess. I think it's going to settle a little bit lower than that. I think it might actually go to about, a little bit higher than this, but I think it will close the year around like $3, maybe $4 a Cardano. That's what I'm thinking. It will go up to like $10 and then back down to 680, I think. So, class time. Later, Vishwantha. Everybody in El Salvador gets a $30 Star Award. Yeah, they do. We just read about that. You're right. I thought it was going to be like $1,000 or a $2,000 starter wallet. I really did. One of the keys to YouTube's success is engaging viewers and chat during the stream. I 100%. And I think I'm going to do that more instead of just waiting at the end. I think more of my live streams have been successful when I kind of follow the chat a little bit and then go into, do like a Bitcoin analysis. I think that's what I'll do. I'll have it set up to where I do a Bitcoin analysis, then I go to the chat. Then I do XRP analysis, go to the chat. This is what I tried before. I didn't know if it worked, but I think it will retain viewers more if I'm constantly engaging and then do something. They'll be able to stay with me while I do that and then come back to talk to them again. I really think that's a good point he makes right here. He said, one of the keys to YouTube's success is engaging viewers and chat during the stream. 100% agree. And that is something I'm going to do more instead of just the end. Because having someone sit through an hour-long stream just to wait for a second to talk to, it's kind of hard. So, I agree. All right, let's see what Northside Jeff is saying today. Here's a question. Are there too many cryptocurrencies out? Isn't there over 10,000? It seems if there was less, then maybe the common ones would be higher. That's a good point. But you have to think about it both ways. Some people that like Bitcoin aren't going to start up, let's say, Mario coin. Okay, you have a regular cryptocurrency, the big ones, Bitcoin, Cardano, and all of those, say. But then you have all the startup coins, right? Well, the people that are invested in Bitcoin in the top 5, top 10 coins are a different group, mainly, than the people that that invest in the smaller groups. So it might have a small effect if, some of these coins got out of there, if you got rid of Zcash or, some of the other, I don't want to say any certain ones just in case there's a lot of people that really like that coin or whatnot. But I really think that if we got rid of some of the lower cap ones, it could help the price. But I think it actually helps crypto as a whole. And this is why I think that. I think the more people that can be involved in crypto in different ways. Like each of these projects is a different project, right? It's not just a coin. It actually, like Rally Coin has a creator coin that you can give to your community. And so it has its value as a crypto, but it also has its value as a creator coin and a community coin that I'm probably going to end up building if they say yes. I already sent them the email. They sent back, said we'll review it in 5 to 7 days. So within 5 to 7 days, I'm probably going to put a couple $100 into this coin. And then maybe if you guys want to buy into it with me, but I'll airdrop a lot of it to you and give you free money as well. So we're gonna try it. I don't know if it'll work. I don't know. I'd at least invest like $100. I hope I can invest just like $100 in it or something and be like, cool. Now our community has a coin, and yeah, so yeah, there's too many coins because of things like Creator Coin, but I think it actually builds the community and I think it outstretches it. So what we want to do is we want to get Bitcoin into the hands of everybody, right? So we want everybody to know about crypto. Well, not everybody learns about crypto through Bitcoin. Some people learn about it through like a new coin like Shiba Inu. When Shiba Inu came out, it was a newer coin. Nobody knew about it, but then it blew up in popularity with the people, right? Just like Dogecoin, because it gives people power over their money again. And yeah, just too many. It is. There's too many out there. But it gives everybody a chance to become wealthy. It does make it harder because then there's more projects and more riffraff that you have to go through. But that's like any market. Any market you go into, you're going to be flooded with the beginners. You're going to be flooded with the newbies, like me on YouTube. Like there's so many other channels to watch right now. Why are you choosing mine? Well, we have the best community. We make the best altcoin predictions. We make the most money with altcoins. Yeah, Bitcoin, we always get it right with Bitcoin too, 90% of the time. So there's a lot of values to this channel, and the main one is the community, our people here. We have the best people. I know BitBoy Crypto has millions of fans. He has 1.2 million, but I guarantee you take 10 of my loyal subscribers, and they equal 1 million of his people. So, yeah, and I'll stick with that for sure. What's the best way to include the biometrics within the blockchain technology? See, this was asked before. Starting to wonder where these people are getting these questions from. There's got to be a place. I'm going to start putting these questions in because people keep asking the same ones. But anyway, I'm not going to say that anymore. Yeah, I'm just not going to answer double questions. We hear you. Next billionaire to buy Bitcoin. Right here. His name was, I already went to the El Salvador. John Miller. Was John Miller? Was that his name? Something Miller. Mark Miller? Gosh, now I don't remember his name. Bill Miller. Okay, Bill Miller. Yeah, I was wrong. Yeah, me too. Oh man, I was should have got it today. Oh, there's Jay. Okay, thanks for coming, man. Where's your other account? Yeah, I'm not gonna make a. I think is someone trying to pretend to be Jay? Like what? Um, Wait, where did everything? Oh, okay, we're right here. Friends of mine in Facebook community really love ADA and always watches its moves. Okay, so we need to maybe do a lot more Cardano videos in the future. I like to touch on Cardano because it's one of my favorite coins, and they have a big community behind them, and I agree with that for sure. Another question: how is IOTA proof of work consensus algorithm is able to function on the IoT device that are relatively smaller scale chips? But I don't know. I don't know about IOTA. Honestly, I don't know an iota about that. Not gonna yeah, I don't know. That's true. Yeah, well, maybe that's why they have it as a government wallet. This is a good point that NN has made right here. He said the problem with using Bitcoin in El Salvador is the transaction fee. It would have been a greater success if it was kind of multi-crypto wallet or a crypto with a fast transaction fee, right? Um, I agree to that, but I think that the billion or the wallet, the let's go forward. The El Salvador wallet is a government wallet. So that's why they have it that way. It is like a micro wallet. They're using the government wallet. That's why they're saying everybody has to download this wallet and it'll give them $30. And I think that that is going to have the fee set up in such a way that it'll be fine with the government. And so what they'll do is they'll send Bitcoin in bunches so that the transaction fees will be lower, kind of like Express Crypto does it. They send a bunch of transactions at once, which lowers each individual transaction fee, if that makes sense, right? Dang, we're only at 2 viewers right now. So we need to get that up. We need to get it to at least 15 concurrent. We're only up to 7. This has been, especially on a Friday night, we should have had like 20 at least on here tonight. I don't know what's going on, guys. We need to get everybody here at one time. That's the only problem. Transaction fee. Yep. But still, Bitcoin can act as wallet for big payments like salary or buying a car. Yeah, but a lot of little guys are going to use it, and that's what I say. I think they're going to have it set up to do in a multi-crypto kind of a way. I think that's what they already do. Oh, speed. Oh, okay. Well, that changes everything then. Actually, I agree with you on that. With the fast transaction. Okay, so I didn't read that correctly either. I just saw a transaction fee. You're right. I think the problem is the speed because Bitcoin is a very slow process, especially when you add thousands and thousands of more payments. It isn't built to withstand that many payments at once. So it will increase Bitcoin demand and it will help. I agree. I meant transaction speed, not fee. Yes. Like and share a comment. Oh, thank you. Sarth Meta. I'm afraid to see SOL price it not go down. I know. Dove to send messages? Like soap? They sent soap? I don't get it. Have crypto with lower levels makes things more decentralized. It shows anyone can make a coin and therefore fighting any coin monopoly, just like the initial internet era when there were big websites like Yahoo and MSN, but still small ones like Google provided better things and came to top. Well, can happen with crypto. That's a good point. Um, Crypto as a whole, Bitcoin is not a monopoly, and it started to act like a monopolized coin because whatever Bitcoin does, the whole market does, right? Well, now Ethereum is kind of decoupling from Bitcoin just a little bit, and so I think that it is going to be a huge boss. It's going to be like the Google of search engines, right? So you're going to have all these other search engines like Cardano, Ethereum, which is like Yahoo and Bing to Google, right? You have these other ones, but they're going to be successful because Bitcoin paved the way. You can't have littler, smaller cap coins without Bitcoin paving the way first. So, oh, okay, yeah, no, I know what you mean now. Okay, uh, that makes sense. I was thinking Dove. What people use Dove? Well, we say pigeon, but yeah, Dove is a lot better, a cleaner form of a pigeon. They use Irish Spring. That's that's so funny though. Oh my gosh. Imagine someone like I was thinking that when you said that Dove, I was like, what are they carving in the soap? And then the next person who takes a shower like reads the soap. Oh my gosh. We have good times sometimes, guys. No, I didn't know it, actually. I was being serious. Oh, goodness. All right. Well, yeah, it's about 9 o'clock, guys. So we're not going to reach our goal today. It looks like that's okay. We still had a good live stream. Everything's fun. I wasn't able to give you guys money because either I didn't promote it right or it's just everybody's kind of busy right now. So if you are already, don't worry about it. But if you haven't, smash the like button. Leave a comment. I think if um, we don't give away this money this time, we're going to double it next time. So we're going to have 6,000 Satoshis for the next live stream instead of 3,000 Satoshis. So you guys better be here next time. And we're going to make it 20 concurrent viewers to reach, but we're going to add more money, 6,000 Satoshis, which is, let's just make it $5. Whatever $5 worth of Bitcoin is. Next time we're gonna have it, all right? Okay, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!